see simulation of thermal process model for a board with a heater. Capacity P on one side of the board for the stationary thermal mode. Let's consider the simplified variant of a board model as one block. The board is established vertically. We shall enter block 1, name it the board, then let's enter block 2. That will be air to the right of the board. So we need to enter it twice to make 2 blocks and name them right air. In this case, if the branch's temperature in the blocks are set to 20 degrees. So let's set air to the left of the board by creation of blocks 3. Let's give the name left air. And also we need to make it twice. So temperature in this block is set to 30 degrees. Let's describe interaction of the board with air on the right. For this purpose, we shall enter the following branches. From 1 to 2, this is free convection from the flat undeveloped surface. We set the board length, which will be 30 millimeters. Width 20, and the determining size will also be 20 millimeters. And the orientation coefficient is equal to 1. And the ambient pressure 760 millimeters of mercury column. The next branch will be emission branch from 1 to 2. From flat undeveloped surface, the length is 30, the width 20, and then we choose the material parameters from the database. After that, let's describe interaction of the board with air on the left. For this purpose, we shall enter the following branches from 1 to 3. Free convection from the undeveloped surface. We set the dimensions of the board, determining size, and set OK. And then we set the emission branch from 1 to 3 from undeveloped surface. We enter the same parameters and choose the material parameters as we did last time from the database. Let's enter 0 block, and into block 1 we will include power source, which will be constant to 2 watt. So into blocks 2 and 3, we will include temperature source, which will be constant to 20 degrees in the block 2 and 30 degrees into block 3. So now we have the model of thermal process. Let us carry out calculations. Before we start, you will be asked to set the file name and save it. So as a result of calculations, we receive the following data.